Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. And if you're just stumbling on this channel, you're highly welcome. To my existing subscribers, thank you so much. So today I'll be showing you how I achieve these glossy lips on my beautiful model. And also, if you love this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell to be notified when I post a new video. Without much further ado, let's get right into the video. So guys, I'm going to be using these four matte lip stains. One of them is from Zikel. I think one of them is from Adventure. Sorry, yeah, Adventure, and the others are from Classic Makeup. Yes. So first of all, I'll start by using the darkest shade to line her lips. Guys, this is very important. Before you start applying your lipstick, your lip stain, first of all, line the lips. Very, very important. So I was using one of my favorite brushes to get this accurate lip lining, and that brush is from Zikel Cosmetics brush set. Guys, you need to try one of these brushes. They are nice and they are very fluffy, and they will give you what you want. Okay, so this is me lining her lips, one of the darkest shade. I think is VIP from Classic Makeups NG, I think so. So I was just lining her lips, telling her to open her lips slightly so I can get in between, and so I can get the product in between her lips. Sorry. So this is me lining her lips. So guys, there is this thing I always see and some people do. When you want to apply lipstick, they'll take the lip applicator directly from the lip stain and put it on their client or model's lips. Guys, like, I don't know, but that's not hygienic. It's not hygienic. It's preferable you use a brush to take some of the lip stain product and apply than using the lip applicator that came with the lips that came with the lip stain original, like the lip applicator from the lip stain, and using it. When you use it for this person, use it for this other person. Guys, it's not really hygienic. Please, I see a lot of makeup artists doing it, but it's not really hygienic and it's not nice. To me, it irritates me actually. So I'm just using another color. I think this is from Classic Makeups. This should be cocoa bean, I guess. Guys, please, any listen I'm not sure of, just check my description box and you will see all the products that I used for this lip application. Okay, so I'll just applying the cocoa bean shade directly under this VIP on and blending it out properly. So I told my model to slightly open her lips, open her mouth slightly, sorry, so that I can get enough space to work on for her lips. Okay, and it's a matte lip stain, so when you are blending it, you have to blend very quickly and fast so it won't dry out. If not, you're gonna have a difficult time in blending the two together. So I applied a nude shade. I think that should be from Adventure on top of the cocoa bean. Yeah, that's what I was applying. It's a nude lip stain from Adventure Cosmetics. Top of the cocoa bean. It's my model. She just admiring her face. Don't mind her. So this is me blending the three colors together using my blending brush. And there's this thing I normally do when I'm blending my lip stain. I use up to 3 lip stain brushes, like this type of small brushes, to blend. One is for the darker shade, the other one is for the lighter shade, and the other one there's no lip stain on it. It's just for blending out both colors to achieve a very even flawless lip stain application. You get. So this is me using the bottom of my brush to blend. There's is when using a matte lip stain, I forgot to say this. If your client or your model has a dry lips, it's advisable you apply lip balm before using a matte lip stain. Matte lip stains tend to last longer than the normal cream lipsticks. Yeah, it tends to last longer, so that's why it's advisable you apply lip balm before using them and blend immediately. So this is the after look. After I applied those listen, I just applied a clear lip gloss over the lips. So guys, what do you think of this look? Do you like it? Will you love to try it? Will you like to tell your makeup artist to do it for you? Is this something you would like to try? Just tell me in the comment section. I'll be glad to hear from you, and I hope you learned something from this video. So see you in my next video. For now, is a bye from me.